Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro support LDAC? So this earbuds supports codecs like SBC, what the basic codec what all Bluetooth devices used. Also it supports AC, and if you use Apple with this earbuds, this is your maximum, because Apple devices doesn't support high resolution audio codecs like SBC or IPTX. Oh, sorry, not SBC, IPTX or LDAC or LC3. So yeah. Yes, this earbuds support LDAC, but firstly, to use it, your phone should support this codec also. And the second one, as I said previous, you cannot use it on your Apple device. Now, to prove it for you, we can go to developer option and check it. To do this, you need to open settings and go to the search line. You need to write codec. Also, right here I have Bluetooth audio codecs, you need to tap on it. Also, developer option you can find the settings, so you need to only go to the system, then scroll down, go to developer option, and right here you can scroll down and find Bluetooth audio codecs. But I think to use the search is a better and fastest option. So okay, I'm right here I have it. Click on it, and as you can see right here we have three audio codecs, what I said to you previous, and you can swap right here between them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.